More than 1.4 million people in southern China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region have been affected by heavy rainfall since early June. Rain-induced flooding has intensified along some waterways, including the Gujiang, Xinjiang and Zhejiang rivers. 5 people went missing in Gudu village, Guangxi County, after a wooden house collapsed. A group of more than 100 people was sent to rescue work. Local authorities in the city of Guangzhou have suspended boat traffic on this section of the Zhejiang River, and downpours have also hit many parts of Guilin, causing severe flooding. In Yangzhou County, more than 1,000 staff and students are reported to have been trapped in 3 schools due to rising flood waters. Heavy rain is forecast to continue in the region until June 27. Large swathes of southern China were hit by violent storms, causing flooding in cities and landslides in the countryside as the first summer rains reached their peak. Heavy rain will continue in Guizhou, Jiangxi, Anhui and Zhejiang provinces, as well as Guangxi until early next week, according to government weather forecasts on Sunday. In southern China, the weeks leading up to and following the Dragon Boat Festival in early June are traditionally marked by erratic and rainy weather.